Introducing the 2022 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev plus bright AWD 5 door AU. This stunning MPV in grey is equipped with a 2-litre petrol, plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, wireless charging and much more, this vehicle ensures a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. Safety is also a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking and a 360 view camera. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. It also comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the 2022 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev Plus Bright AWD 5 door AU.